Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. I have not done a smoothie bowl tutorial in so long. It is officially summer and I have a new summer smoothie bowl recipe for you. Like the title says, today we are making a strawberry lemonade smoothie bowl. I don't think I've ever been more excited for a smoothie bowl in my whole life because this flavor sounds so good. I don't know how come I've never made this one before. So if you're excited about this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button because I post new smoothie bowl recipes, healthy snack recipes, vlogs, all kinds of things. Also, you might notice that I'm in a new kitchen. This is my first video in my new house in Nashville. So that's super exciting. More videos on my channel about the move if you want to know more about that. Okay, when I had the idea for the strawberry lemonade smoothie bowl, I thought it would be so cool to do two different parts, the strawberry part and the lemonade part. So we're actually going to use two containers today to make our two different colors. I'm basically going to do half and half of each color so that when we put them together, we can swirl them all up and it's going to be amazing. I have to confess though, this will be a little bit of an experiment. When I went to the store, I meant to grab coconut cream and instead I got cream of coconut. I didn't know there was a difference, but this is what I got. This is cream of coconut. I meant to get canned coconut cream because it's a great alternative and a substitute for frozen banana if you don't like banana. So what I usually do is shake it up, pour it into an ice cube tray, and then I freeze the tray to make coconut cubes. And then I use those in my smoothie instead of a frozen banana. So I went ahead and froze this anyway, except I don't know if it's gonna have the same effect. So we're gonna experiment together. Who knows, it might work. I might have just unlocked the new secret ingredient for the best smoothie bowl ever. If it doesn't work though, just get the canned coconut cream from your store and I'm sure it'll be great. For this smoothie bowl, I'm using this Ninja Foodie Nutra Duo because I love that they have a little bit smaller cups. I always do this when I'm doing a multicolored smoothie bowl because then I can do two colors. You can do this in any blender. I just don't want to take the time to wash out my blender cup. For the strawberry side, I'm going to do half a frozen banana and then 1 cup of frozen strawberries. Then we're gonna add just a splash or about a 4th cup of almond milk. Now you all know if you've seen any of my smoothie bowl tutorials that I always add protein powder into my smoothie bowls just to make it a more well-rounded meal. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but I love this vanilla protein powder from 310 Nutrition because it keeps me full throughout the day, helps me stay energized, and it makes the flavor so yummy. So I'll put a link in the description box below if you wanna check it out and start looking into adding protein into your smoothie bowls. I've got a discount code to help you save some money, but this step is optional. That's it for our strawberry one, so I'm gonna get the lid on this. Now for the lemon side, I'm gonna use the other half of the frozen banana and then half of a lemon peeled and frozen. Okay, here are my coconut cubes. Guys, I already feel like this isn't gonna work. They're not even that frozen. They've been in the freezer for over a day and they're still kind of gooey. I don't know if you can see that, but they're definitely not frozen cubes like I thought they would be. So I feel like if I add too much of this, it's gonna make my smoothie too thin. So this might not work. Oh, that's a bummer. Here's what we're gonna do. I still feel like the flavor is gonna make it good. So we're just gonna put 2 scoops of this. Is going to be about 2 tablespoons in here. If you're doing this recipe from home, just don't do this step. I'll put the real recipe in the description box and on my blog so you can follow it. I really do think if you use the frozen coconut cubes, it's going to give you this nice creamy lemony flavor. This is a life lesson. Sometimes you just gotta go with the flow, use what you got, and experiment. Life is too short to be taken so seriously. Okay, I do have a good feeling about this. We're going to do just a splash of almond milk. I'm not going to do too much because that coconut cream is going to help loosen it up for us. And then I'm going to do the other half of our scoop of vanilla protein powder to make sure it's balanced. Yum! Lid on this. Time to blend. All right. Woo! Oh, I have a good feeling about this. Oh, check it out. Also, I forgot to tell you, I linked this blender in the description box below. If you're wondering what it is, you can get it right off Amazon. So easy. Let's see how this works. I'm a little concerned. I feel like I need to try this before we commit to it. Oh, that's really nice. It's not quite as thick as the other one, so you gotta be careful not to add too much of the cream of coconut if that's what you end up doing. But I still think it would work just fine if you did the coconut cream. Now we get to swirl. If you wanna get your own coconut bowl, I think it's the best way to eat smoothie bowls. It makes you feel like you're in Hawaii and it keeps your smoothie bowl from melting too fast. I have my own line of coconut bowls. They're called the Nomad Bowls, and I put the link in the description box below if you wanna check them out and get one. You can use all caps Nicole for a discount, and don't forget in the top left corner to change the currency to USD if you're a US based customer. Wow, okay, I'm so excited to try this. Here we go. Cheers. Oh my goodness. I was really worried about the lemon part being too tart, but the coconut and the banana really balance it out, and it's so yummy. You're gonna have to try this recipe and let me know what you think. It's so good. Wow, I miss doing smoothie bowl tutorials with you guys. If you liked this video and it made you smile, please give it a thumbs up, and hey, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to this channel. It's the easiest way that you can support your favorite creators, and it's absolutely free. I'm so thankful for you. Thank you for watching this week. We'll see you next time. Bye.